Hey everyone, glad you're here because today we're talking about something that might just change the way you care for your dog, especially if you love tech as much as you love your furry companion. Ever wish you could really know what your dog was up to when you're away or just get some insight about their health, all from your wrist? Well, Fee's new AI-powered dog collar promises just that. Stick around because by the end, you'll see why dog lovers and gadget geeks alike are so excited, and you'll definitely want to be in the know. So, what's the big deal? Fi, the smart pet tech brand, has just launched the Series 3 Plus, an AI collar that lets you monitor your pup's movements, health, and habits right on your Apple Watch. We're not just talking about basic step counting either. We're talking advanced behavior detection, health monitoring, and even document analysis, all wrapped up in a collar and an Apple Watch app. Let's dive in with the headline feature, behavior detection powered by AI. Imagine this. It's not just tracking your dog's steps or sleep, but is also tuned in for things like barking, licking, scratching, eating, and even drinking habits. Sounds almost magical, right? Fee says the Series 3 Plus can capture meaningful changes in a dog's behavior with 80% accuracy. That means if your furry friend starts scratching or barking way more than usual, the collar picks it up and lets you know. Now, picture getting real-time updates straight to your wrist. No more wondering if your dog's napping all day or secretly ruling the backyard with an iron paw. The Apple Watch integration makes all this available at a glance. So whether you're at work, out for coffee, or walking your dog, you're always connected. And it doesn't stop at daily habits. The Fi collar's goal isn't just to point out what your dog is doing, but to spot trends and irregularities over time. Are they drinking more water than usual or suddenly resting less? Those could be signs it's time for a checkup, and now you can spot these early, before anything becomes serious. It's proactive pet healthcare at your fingertips, literally. Speaking of peace of mind, let's talk GPS. We all know dogs can be curious critters, and a sudden dash out the door is every owner's worry. Well, the Series 3 Plus has doubled its GPS signal sensitivity compared to its previous model. Translation? You can follow your dog's location with more confidence than ever before. If you've ever worried about losing your pup, this feature alone is a game changer. So, have you ever wished for a super reliable way to keep tabs on your dog? Let us know in the comments below. And here's a super cool feature for anyone who's ever shuffled through stacks of vet bills, insurance papers, or records. The new AI-powered document analysis tool. Just scan or upload those documents, and the Fi app can pull out key health information for you. Tracking your dog's health history just got a major upgrade, and it's all integrated right alongside their activity statistics. How handy is that? What's especially exciting is how all these tools work together. The app, now on your Apple Watch, brings the interactivity and intelligence of the mobile experience to your wrist. You're not missing out on anything. It has all the features of the phone version, ready when you are. Health flags, movement updates, habit trends. It's a whole control center for your dog, just a glance away. Now, let's not sugarcoat it. We all want to know more about our pets, but some reports have pointed out that too much data can add a bit of anxiety. Always remember, tech is here to help, not worry you. The Fi Series 3 Plus is designed to put you in control, help you spot issues early, and keep you connected, not to stress you out. Focus on the trends and positives, and use the data to make your pup's life even better. If you're still wondering whether AI tech for dogs is right for you, think about the value, peace of mind, better health tracking, and a way to truly understand what's happening in your dog's world even when you can't be there. Wouldn't it be amazing to spot a problem before it starts? Or to celebrate a week of extra long walks? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. And, by the way, if you love staying on top of the latest in pet tech or want more insights into gadgets that can make your life easier, now's the perfect time to subscribe to our channel. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Seriously, imagine, today, you know if your pup is scratching more. Tomorrow, who knows what tech could tell us? So thanks for tuning in. Stick around, stay curious, and give your pup an extra treat from us.